Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the alarm's audio interface and headphone type. This matters because impedance and connectors determine signal flow. If the alarm has a 3, 5 mm or RCA line out, use a direct cable. If it only has speaker terminals, plan a line-out converter. Once done, match headphones. Wired avoids latency while Bluetooth needs a transmitter. Make sure to have adapters and test cables ready before powering anything, so you prevent noise and protect the alarm. You now build the signal chain. Connect alarm line out to the headphone input or to a converter if you had to tap speaker terminals. This preserves audio quality and avoids overdriving the headphones. For Bluetooth, plug a battery-powered transmitter into the line out and pair. Keep the transmitter close to reduce dropouts. Once connected, set the alarm to minimal test volume and raise headphone level gradually. This ensures safe listening and lets you catch ground hums or mismatches early. Finish by running a complete alarm test while wearing the headphones so you confirm timing and loudness. You want instant, intelligible cues. If you hear hum, use a ground loop isolator or move power sources. If distortion occurs, insert an inline attenuator or choose headphones with higher impedance. If Bluetooth lags or drops, repair, shorten the range, or switch to wired for reliability. These final checks keep the alarm effective and protect your hearing and gear.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.